This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the unboxing of the H3 Smartwatch. Again, this is an H3 Smartwatch, Alexa Speed powered smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the menus and features of the H3 smartwatch. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, especially on the offered features, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's begin and explore the H3 smartwatch. So this is a rotary function, as you can see. You can use it to switch, and we do have some animated watch faces here. Nice. Then for the UI, on top we have notifications. On the bottom part we have a dashboard here for the different applications. The same here on the left side, and on the right side you can access the main menu. Okay, so there's no widgets. Okay, no widgets for the wearable. To access the main menu, just swipe, and we have here the sports functions. And based on the UI here, I think it's just 9 sports functions. Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a sleep monitoring. We have the automatic activity tracking. This includes the steps, the distance, and the calories. We have the heart rate monitoring, message notification, Bluetooth call with support for call history, contacts, and dial pad. We also have here the Bluetooth music, weather report, calculator, alarm. We also have here a sedentary alert. Okay, let's see the calculator, alarm, sedentary remote or sedentary alert. We have a stopwatch, remote photo control. We have a voice assistant, find phone, a game, a car race. Going back, and we have the settings here. We also have here a short video control. Okay, for TikTok, we have a calendar, contacts, WeChat support. Here are the social apps supported. Notifications only. You cannot access the apps here, or you cannot access the UI or the dashboard of these applications, but only notifications. We have the Facebook, X, WhatsApp application. We also have here the drink water reminder, multiple language support. We also have it here. We have a QR code, menu view or menu options. We have at least 6. Display and brightness up to 1 minute. We have the screen lock, dynamic island. There's a support for dynamic island, pinch to answer, hand light, and bedside lamp mode, restore factory, and the about. Okay, here this feature here is also available in the settings. Okay, we have here these settings: up view, sound and touch, time setting. Okay, you can change the time here without pairing to the support app. Do not disturb mode, notification option, and personal information. Again, here are the menus and features. Again, you can use this one. It's a rotary function. You can use it to scroll as well as to zoom in and change the watch face. So this is your H3 Smartwatch, Alexa Speed powered smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.